Durable, trusted and built to last. Bend, flex tested 3,000 times for dependable use. Flexible exterior cord coating for quality feel and finish. Designed to work flawlessly with your favorite OtterBox cases and accessories. Limited lifetime warranty and no hassle customer service. Waste no time and experience zero hassle keeping your devices charged with the durable and highly dependable OtterBox USB-A charging cables. These cables are thoughtfully designed with industry-leading mobile expertise and proven quality for dependable use to satisfy every charging need. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, reliable charger. I move this charger around my home to charge a variety of different things and it works with basically no issue. The first time I plugged the micro USB side into one of my devices it had a very snug fit and took a bit of effort to pull it back out of the device's charging port, but that's hardly a real problem and since then no issues at all. The charger is a bit on the pricier side for a single charger but it's very sturdy and worth.